Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I joined Ale, who is Soy Crafty, here on YouTube and on Instagram. She has a birthday card swap, and the requirements were to make 5, get 5 birthday cards, and you're supposed to make at least 2 of them, like for men or masculine. And then you just send them with no envelopes. You send them to Ale, and then she's gonna, it's a blind swap. So either you make 5, get 5. And then, what do you call that? That's it. So let me show you what I created. She had no limitations, but the size. So the size of the card, she required it at least to be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Okay, so A5, I think she said, or A2 size. So here are my cards. I did use white cardstock, and these are Michael's cardstock, 100 pounds. Yeah, 100-pound cardstock. So I use those for my base. And I also use Obed Marshall's Celebrate collection. I think that's the name of it. I already put it away. I use that, and also Hooray from Simple Stories, I think it is. I don't know. Hooray. It's a birthday theme. So I kind of combined them together because I have scraps of them, so might as well put them to use, right? So the first card, you see here, I used the Obed Marshall blue striped paper for my background. I did do a zigzag stitch with some gold thread. The llama is from the Hooray collection. I did go ahead and put hot glue under the pom-pom so they're not loose, or, you know, they get stuck on something and they rip off. So I just added some hot glue on there. This is a piece of ephemera from a very old collection I got from Tuesday Morning. I don't even know the name. And then I stamped the sentiment on some white cardstock, the same white cardstock I use for the base. And they're sturdy, so you got to make sure they're sturdy. I just used what was the name of the ink? Hold on. And don't ask me where the sentiment's from, because it's all from a D-stash and they didn't have the packaging. Ranger, the archival ink. So that's what I used to stamp my sentiments. Whatever sentiments you see I stamped is what is the same ink. So it's very simple, but you know, unisex. You could send it to a male or a female. I put my sticker on the back because you have to put your info so she doesn't end up sending you your card that you made yourself. So that made a lot of sense. So I made this on Cricut, and actually the first time me using the Cricut sticker maker option. So I selected that. I printed this on printable sticker paper, and I used the laminate, holographic laminate on top. So I applied the laminate first before I put it into the Cricut to, you know, die cut this out. So yeah, that worked out really nice. No issues. And then on the inside, I left it blank, but I added a sticker, and this sticker is from Dollar Tree. It's a dimensional sticker. Just some, you know, a little bit of depth, but when you close it, there's not very much, you know what I mean? So it's a really good sticker. So that's the first card I made. Here's another card. It's a male themed. I got this Obed Marshall paper in the background, again with the gold stitch thread here for the details. And let me just erase something. This eraser, I love it. So yeah, and then this is the 12 by 12 cardstock again from Obed Marshall. It has a bunch of cars on it. So I just cut out a piece and just use that towards the center. And then this sticker that says "You're So Cool" is also another Dollar Tree sticker. So I put that in the middle, And then here I have a happy birthday, and this is the Hooray collection. I've just added that little happy birthday sticker on the inside, nothing else, and then my sticker on the back. So that's the second one. And here's another one. It's a non-gender theme card. It's a little cupcake. This is the Hobby Lobby chipboard sticker, and it had a cherry on the top, so I cut the stem off. And I used the star, the Hooray collection again, this layered sticker that was already made. It was in one of the sticker packs. Hooray for cake. And then this is some stars from Dollar Tree sticker collection. And I stamped this little banner out, and then I also stamped the sentiment in it. It says, "Have a sweet day." And on the inside is a little cupcake. And the back is my sticker again. So that's 3 actually that you could use for male gender. Again, I use the Obet Marshall cardstock on the background. Stitching, they all have the gold stitching. I stamped this banner. It's the same stamp here. I just stamped it twice and used it on this one. Have a sweet day. And there is more of the Hooray collection, the little party hat, and the Yay sticker. And this little girl is a die cut set from Nicole Silhouettes, and she was, I think 2 years ago, she was selling dies, and she was making these little girls and little boys. So I couldn't I didn't have enough time to die cut these were already pre-assembled. I put these together a long time ago, so yeah, like immediately when I bought this and received it, I put her together. And then on the inside, another Dollar Tree sticker with the balloons and a little present. And then on the back is just my sticker again. So there's that little girl. Here's another little girl. Dollar Tree stickers for the banner back here. This is the Hooray collection again. There's another one of the girls that I already pre-assembled. Another Dollar Tree sticker. It's actually the same sticker sheet as the birthday cake. And then I stamped this one. It says, "Close your eyes and make a wish." And I just cut it like a little flag right there. And that is my last birthday card. And look at how cute my sticker. So that is my entry, my 5 cards for Allay's birthday card swap. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and comment which is your favorite birthday card. And would you be making birthday cards? I do not enjoy making birthday cards. Honestly, I don't. I don't know why. It's a challenge for me. It took me all day to make 5 cards. That's a lot of time to make 5 little cards. So maybe that's why I don't like it. It takes a lot of brain power. So yeah, I'm just going to package this up just like this. No envelopes. And then I'm going to put it in and send it off. So again, thank you all for watching. Check out Allay's channel. I'll leave her link in the description box down below. And yeah, hope to see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.